If your website is showing old content, broken layouts, or changes that are not updating right away, clearing the website cache can often fix the issue fast. In this video, I'll show you how to clear website cache inside Namecheap Hosting CPanel using File Manager, step by step, and I'll also show you the safe way to do it so you don't accidentally delete the wrong files. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time when your site is not reflecting the latest changes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy hosting and WordPress guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account and open your CPanel dashboard. Once you're inside CPanel, look for File Manager and click on it. File Manager is where you can view and manage the files that make up your website. When File Manager opens, you'll usually see a list of folders on the left side and the main file area on the right. Now go into the public_HTML folder. This is the main directory for your website, and in many cases, it contains all the important site files. Inside public_HTML, open the folder for your website if your hosting account has multiple domains or subfolders. This makes sure you're working on the correct site and not affecting anything else. After that, look for the WP content folder, especially if your website is running on WordPress. If you don't see WP content right away, you may also see a cache folder depending on your setup or caching plugin. Open the appropriate cache directory. This is where temporary cached files are usually stored. Now here's the important part. You want to delete only the temporary contents inside the cache folder, not the main folder itself. In other words, open the cache folder, select the files and folders inside it, and remove those temporary items. Do not delete the cache folder or WP content folder itself, because that could break your site structure or remove important data. If you're not sure which files are safe, double-check that you are only deleting temporary cache contents and not core website files. Once the temporary files are removed, your cache is effectively cleared. This can help your site load the newest version of your pages, images, and styles, instead of showing outdated files from storage. After deleting the cache contents, go back to your website and refresh the page. If needed, clear your browser cache too, because sometimes your browser may still show the older version even after the server cache has been cleared. That's it. You've now cleared website cache in Namecheap Hosting CPanel safely using File Manager. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.